I'm going to explain to you what I've been up to for the past couple of years.
I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no.
I'm in my office. I have a gym right next door. I call it the dungeon, where I'm just locked away, working on myself every day, relentless work. You can push yourself past limits that you never even knew you had. Surround yourself by people that you want to emulate, people that have a life that you'd like to live. Listen to their advice, do what they're doing. A lot of times they share exactly what it was that they did to get to where they are. There's YouTube, there's Google, there's a bunch of tools out there that you can use to build and grow as an individual. Any type of question, be curious. Implementing everything that I've learned over the years has helped me develop and build this product that I now call Chrome. I used to struggle with growing a full beard. I had patches where it just wouldn't grow. I started doing research. Now, this isn't just any product. Now, why would I listen to anything that you have to say? Let me tell you, I've been cutting hair for the past 13 years. I've been a licensed barber for the past 7. I've come across hundreds of individuals who have struggled with the exact same issue that I used to have. I used to not be able to grow any facial hair. Upon stumbling into this issue, I went on a journey. In this journey, I found a product that actually worked. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't get results in 30 days, you get your money back. This is risk-free. I tried many products over the years, and a lot of them just didn't work. I finally found something that actually worked, and I'm here to share it with you. Leave a like, subscribe. My name is Zeus Ordaz, and I'm out. If you're interested or looking for a job, this is 100% work from home. You just need a computer, laptop, cell phone, and that's pretty much it.
I like it when you're looking like that. Don't like it when you shit, try to shit.